The distance a signal must travel determines the axon's length. At a junction called the synapse, communication occurs when a neural impulse at the end of the axon stimulates the release of a chemical neurotransmitter that crosses the synapse to the second neuron's receiving dendrite. Communications continue, and the rate of synaptic formation, or synaptogenesis, increases rapidly into the first year of life. Researchers often describe this growth as exuberant synaptogenesis. Abundant synapses may help with greater flexibility for learning. Their removal or pruning into the childhood years also may help with efficiency and possibly the customization of a nervous system to an individual's life experiences. The process known as myelination increases the speed at which impulses travel along neurons. Myelin is a form of insulation that speeds the transmission of neural impulses. The myelin sheath is formed by oligodendroglial cells wrapping themselves around the axon of a neuron. At 16 weeks, myelination begins in the lower spinal cord and proceeds to the upper spinal cord, brainstem, cerebellum, and posterior part of the internal capsule. All of these structures show myelination at the time of birth. Myelination extends to other areas of the brain and in fact continues for many years after birth. The process of myelination is largely complete by the third birthday. By the second birthday, the rapidly growing brain reaches 80% of its adult size. The growth slows and is limited between the ages of 6 and 8 as the bones of the skull fuse. After the bones fuse, the brain's rate of size increase slows further. By age 10, the brain is 95% of its adult size. Around age 18, the brain at its maximum size weighs almost 3 pounds, an enormous increase from its birth weight of about 12 ounces.